Hello ladies and gentlemen, I just looked at our subscriber count, which is at 43, and we are nearing that 50 subscriber count giveaway, so let's just boost those numbers up by another 7. Alright guys, like, tell your friends, tell everyone that you know that plays D&D to subscribe to our channel. It really would mean a lot. We're getting close to that miniature giveaway, and please don't forget to comment down below or message us at my personal email, brandonwin5730@gmail.com, or at critical.failure to enter into our raffle to earn some miniatures. Please do that. We got a couple people in right now that are doing some stuff, but that's actually really good on our end to actually have a couple people that were interested. So please enter into that, and don't forget to show your friends and stuff like that. That would be really cool. And let's hit 50 subscribers by, let's say, the end of July. That would be really cool. So we can try and get this giveaway started here shortly. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below giving us some info on what you think this channel should do. I'm hoping that this coming up week I can try and do some sort of campaign video on my phone. It's not going to be anything spectacular, but you guys are going to see a little bit of our thing. I'm wanting to try and do some sort of campaign video at least once a month. With my Hobgoblin campaign, I'm going to try and do a session 0 per character first before we do that, so let's just see how that goes. And yeah, that's just a little bit of something. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.